Hi, fifth graders. To warm up our brains today, we're going to do the lesson 13 sprint. So that's in our yellow spine practice book. And it is on page 29. You'll know you're on the right page when you see lesson 13 sprint up at the top. And it should be side A to start with. This one might look a little familiar to you. We are subtracting decimals, which is pretty similar to what we did in lesson 12, where we were adding decimals. And actually, it's the same idea. In the subtracting, we are starting with whole numbers. You need to figure out which of the digits in our original number are we going to be using to subtract with. Okay, we have 1 minute. I want you to work on this to just see how many can you get done. If the timer stresses you out, don't worry about that. You can skip ahead in the video and then work for about a minute. And then when you're ready to check your work, come on back to the video and we can check together. Okay, so I'm going to start on question 1. Your goals for this, I want you to stay focused the whole time. I want you to try your best for the entire minute. And your goal is to improve. So on side B, you want to try doing better than you did on side A. Are you ready? Set, think. All right, put an X under the last problem you were able to solve and let's correct. So remember, you're just going to put a check if you got it incorrect, and you won't do anything if you got it correct. Starting on number 1. 4. 4.9. 4.93. 4.932. 3.932. 1.932. Decimal 4. Decimal 43. Decimal 439. 8.439. 8.339. 8.139. Decimal 04. Decimal 047. 1.047. 1.847. 1.837. 1.817. Decimal 004. 7.004. 7.904. 7.984. I'm on question 23. 7.983. 7.981. 2.6. 2.685. 2.285. 4.513. 3.57. 3.576. 3.536. 7.942. 6.125. I'm on question 34. 6.122. 9.342. 8.047. 9.107. 6.870. 4.548. 6.348. 6.528. 6.546. 6.136. 9.513. All right, how did you do? Count up how many you got correct, and you're going to put it at the top. And please pause the video if you need more time. All right, before we do side B, I want you to take a look and look for patterns. What do you notice about the expressions, or actually, excuse me, these are equations because there's equal signs. What do you notice about these equations that could help you do better on the second side? I'm noticing something. Look at numbers 1, 2, and 3. Actually, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So question 1 starts out with just a 5. So we just have our ones place. Our question 2 is still a 5, but now we've added the tenths. Question 3, we still have the tenths. Now they've added a hundredths. And question 4, we still have the ones, tenths, and hundredths, but now they've added the thousands. So it's like our number is slowly growing by 1 digit for questions 1 through 4. And we're subtracting 1 in each of those problems. So the part that's changing our whole number stays the same. The decimal just keeps growing. So 5 minus 1 is 4. It's still going to be 4 as our whole number in each of these. We just also have some decimals. Then I'm noticing something else. 4, 5, and 6 all start with the same number. This time we're just increasing what we're subtracting by. Minus 1, minus 2, and minus 4. But the number stayed the same. What else do I notice? Oh, look. 7, 8, and 9. Same thing. We start with 5 tenths. It's still 5 tenths. They've added 3. Still 5 tenths. Now we have 3, 9. It's growing again. And we're subtracting by 1/10 on each of these. And I noticed our tenths is staying the same. It's 5 the entire time. Oh, and then 10, 11, 12 is similar to our 4, 5, 6. We're starting with the same number, just what we're subtracting by changes. It gets larger. All right, let's use that. And anything else you notice to help us do better on side B. Are you ready? I'm gonna flip my page. Make sure you didn't skip any pages. It should still say lesson 13 sprint. Now we want B, and we are still subtracting decimals. Let's see if we can stay focused the whole time, try our best, and will that help us improve? All right, 1 minute. Ready, set, think. All right, put an X below the last problem you were able to solve, and let's check our work. Starting on number 1, 5, 5.9, 5.93, 5.932, 4.932, 2.932, decimal 5, decimal 53, decimal 539, 8.539, 8.439. On question 12, 8.239, decimal 05, decimal 057, 1.057, 1.857, 1.847, 1.827, decimal 005, 7.005, 7.905, 7.985, 7.984. I'm on question 24. 7.982, 3.6, 3.685, 3.285, 5.524, 4.57, 4.576, 4.536, 6.143, 7.126. On question 34, 7.123, 1.453, 8.057, 1.207, 7.98, 5.548, 7.348, 7.528, 7.546, 7.137, 1.623. All right, how'd you do? Count up how many you got correct and then figure out how many you improved by. All right, you did a great job. Thank you for getting this done today. Bye.